What if I told you your biggest enemy is not out there? It's in your head. You have dreamed something like, when I go to the school, I have one Lamborghini. When my crush sees me, I have the iPhone in my hand, driving G-Wagon. I have millions of views. I have that much of money. For this, I wouldn't look at price, just buy. But sad, you only can dream this. Most guys between 18 to 23, they are stuck. They are stuck between who they are and who they could be. It's not your job or it's not a weakness. It's about your luck. It's not about your luck. It's your mindset. Your mindset is either building your future or silently killing it. A man who used to be shy, he used to watch porn, scroll up to 5 to 4 hours, used to sleep a lot, don't have timetable of anything, used to drink alcohol, go to the clubs and always blame on his luck, and in night he used to cry, in sleeping time he only dreamed the goals. He just tell his friends that he'll do something, but in reality he could not have anything to show them. And one day, uh, the changing thing came in his life. He started a book named Atomic Habits and read it. After this, he started to read for 30 minutes daily. Used to go gym daily, starting in and listing his tasks, created the route and plans. After few months, Bro came back in his friends. This time they were shocked and have different reaction. Bro was with what he dreamed. And then he told same roadmap to his friends, and he told that first rule was that he followed were first rule of mental success. Stop believing every thought you think. Yes, your mind is not your enemy, but it will keep you stuck if you let it. It's designed to keep you safe, designed to keep you secure, not successful. That means it love comfort zone, safety and routine. And that's exactly what you need to break. Every limiting belief. I'm not good enough, I'll fail, I don't have time. It's not yours. It's what's downloaded into you. And just like a bad software, you can delete it. And here's a 3-step formula. Number one, awareness. Number one, awareness. You can't fix that what you don't see. Catch your mental habits. Notice that what excuses. When your brain says, I can't, you say, watch it me. Number second point, input. Your brain becomes what you feed it. Music, social media, clubs, all programs you. Start feeding it power. Books, broadcasts, leaders, winners, and at all. The third point is that identity shift. Don't chase goals. Becomes the type of person who naturally achieves them. Want to become successful? Start thinking, moving, and living like a someone who already is. Now let's talk about the brain gym. Here are 5 powerful habits. Number one, morning routine. Win your mornings, win your day. Number second, affirmations. Speak it until you believe it. Number third, visualization. Success happens twice. First in your mind, then in real life. Number fourth, mind momentum. A strong body make a strong mind. Number five, reflection. Journal, meditate, check yourself daily. After this main point, what does a successful mindset really look like? First point, long-term focus even when no one's clapping for you. Taking full responsibility, no more blames, no more excuses for anything. Discipline, especially when you don't feel like it. Choosing growth over comfort. Break your comfort zone and move forward for your goals. Faith that it's working even when you don't see results yet. Here is the truth. This age 18 to 35 is a battlefield. You either reprogramming your mind or you wake up one day with regrets, wondering where all the time went. Don't let that be your story. If this hits you hard, Like the video and share it to who really needs it. Subscribe. We are building mindsets and that wins one step at a one time. Thank you for that much time.